A robotic pool cleaner keeps your swimming pool clean without clogging the skimmer or burning out your filtration system. Aside from taking the labor out of cleaning your pool, some robotic pool cleaners come with features that allow you to schedule cleanings, check water temperature, and even monitor cleaning. Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you find out the best robotic pool cleaners in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to see their price and more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 1. Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus. Our top pick, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus, offers all the functionality and convenience you'd expect from a robotic pool cleaner at a mid-tier price point. This robotic cleaner is designed for in-ground pools up to 50 feet long, and it cleans your pool end-to-end in around 2 hours. It requires no pumps or hoses, and it features dual scrubbing brushes to help remove dirt, algae, and other debris. This robot uses smart navigation to clean the floors and walls of your swimming pool, and its tangle-free cable ensures that it won't get stuck as it works. It's easy to empty the 2 cartridge filters from the top of the machine, and it captures large and small debris. We found that this pool cleaner is extremely easy to set up and start, and it picked up a noticeable amount of silt, as well as small leaves, petals, and bugs. It not only gets a pool sparkling clean, even after a crowd of swimmers, but also takes a lot of the worry out of caring for an in-ground pool. Plus, its built-in scheduler automatically starts a cleaning cycle every day, every other day, or every 3rd day. We saw this cleaner easily climb the walls of an older style pool, which are set at a 90-degree angle and have very little curvature between the floor and sides. Number 2. Iper Seagull SE Cordless. It's not often that you come across a robotic pool cleaner that's actually effective and affordable. The Iper Seagull SE Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner floored us with its easy-to-use design and effective debris removal. While it's certainly not the most technologically advanced pool cleaner on the market, we found the straightforward operation refreshing compared to some models that can be overloaded with features. From start to finish, we enjoyed using this pool cleaner in a 40 by 18-inch in-ground pool during testing. It's easy to set up by simply popping in the cleaning brushes and fully charging it. We learned that if you don't allow it to fully charge, you may not experience as thorough of a cleaning job. The charge time is rather long at 2.5 hours. To start the pool cleaner, you press the button located on the top and drop it into your pool near an edge. It then winds its way around your pool. We recommend pulling it out a few times during a cleaning cycle to empty out the filter basket, which is secured by 2 levers on the top of the pool cleaner. Once the pool cleaner is done with a cycle or begins to run out of battery, it will self-park near your pool's edge for easy retrieval. Number 3. Dolphin Nautilus CC Supreme. If you have a large pool or just want a pool cleaner with all the bells and whistles, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Supreme Wi-Fi operated pool cleaner is a worthwhile investment. This high-end pool cleaner is suitable for in-ground pools up to 50 feet long, and it needs about 1.5 to 3.5 hours to complete a cleaning cycle, depending on your selection. Unlike less expensive models, this robot also cleans the pool's walls and waterline, ensuring every inch is free from dirt and algae. Its 2-filter system captures all manner of debris and keeps it out of the water. We enjoyed using this robot's corresponding app to keep up with its cleaning progress and see its location in the pool. We also tried this robot's pre-programmed standard and enhanced cleaning times and noted that the cleaner was able to get a pool about 95% and 99% clean, respectively. For the remaining debris, we used the remote steering to direct the robot to the small spots it missed throughout the pool. This pool cleaner is equipped with powerful scrubbing brushes, 3 to be exact, that provide a deeper clean, and smart navigation software scans the pool to create an efficient cleaning route. Number 4. Iper Seagull Pro Cordless. The Iper Seagull Pro Robotic Pool Cleaner is a frontrunner for tackling leaves and twigs among all the robotic pool cleaner models we've tested. We also happened to test this cleaner in a pool that's shaded by a cedar tree, oak tree, and bamboo, so it was well challenged with a surplus of debris. Our favorite feature of this pool cleaner was its methodical cleaning pattern, which operates in an S shape across pool floors, and an elongated N shape along walls and waterlines. We will note it's very important to start this pool cleaner along a flat wall. We learned that the cleaning pattern is easily interrupted when initially placed near steps or a sun ledge, as we did at first use. Despite a rocky start, we love how efficiently this pool cleaner can clean a pool's entire surface area. It also has 3 settings, so you can choose whether it cleans on an automatic setting, both floor and walls, floor only, or wall only. The setting dial also lights up in a series of colors to let you know when the battery is running low. Green is greater than 90% battery, blue is 50 to 89%, yellow is 10 to 49%, and red is less than 9% battery remaining. Number 5. Dolphin Escape Robotic Pool. The Dolphin Escape Robotic Above-Ground Pool Cleaner is designed for use in vinyl above-ground pools up to 30 feet wide. It easily navigates the floor of any above-ground pool and even smooths out the liner. The vacuum head sucks up dirt and dust, and the large-capacity basket can accommodate larger debris like leaves. We appreciated how easy it was to dump debris from the top-load filter after a cleaning run, which took about 3 hours. You can also clean out the filter basket with a garden hose. This cleaner's plug-and-play operation is easy to set up and use immediately. We loved how much time this cleaner saved us from having to manually clean a pool, especially since the pool this robot was tested in is covered by a tree, which frequently drops leaves. Overall, this unit may be simple in performance, and not able to climb walls, but it's compact and effective, making it a top choice for an above-ground pool. Saving design and effectiveness, we recognize that it's an expense that may be more than your above-ground pool's initial cost. However, this pool cleaner is well worth the splurge if you dislike the maintenance involved in your pool or cannot physically maintain the upkeep of manual cleaning.